4. Listen and tick.
1,
This is fish.
2,
This is chicken. I like milk.
Let's talk.
I like milk. I like milk. I like chips. I like chips. I like I like I like chicken. I like chicken.